Hello friends, my name is Pooja and I'm going to discuss one of the topic from project management, that is project life cycle. So here is my topic. So what is a project? The project as defined in the PM work guide is a temporary endeavor taken to create a unique project, service or result. All projects vary in complexity but they all follow similar life cycles. So all projects have deliverables, meaning they always produce something, and project examples are new product development, building renovation, wedding, dinner party. So these are some of the examples of project. Okay. Second is, what is a project life cycle? So, project life cycle is a series of phases of a project from initiation to completion. The life cycles gives a practical approach to problem solving applied to all aspects of a project. Phases in a project life cycle encompasses sequential and overlapping phases. And a project life cycle typically has four phases, that is initiation, planning, implementations, and closure phases. So here are the four types of phases which I've explained. The initiation processes, it is the project need and it is the signals to start a project. The implementation project, the second is planning phase where the project solution is further explored to achieve the goals. The third is implementations, it is put into an action, and this phase is when people are carrying out the task of the plan. And the fourth one is closure phase. The phase is final closing of all the project processes and handing over deliverables to customers. So here are the four phases of product life cycle. Here I have explained it in a depth. So the first phase explores the project concept. The scope is defined during this phase, okay, and feasibility study is made in either to identify that the business needs and justifications to pursue the project, and the project character is developed for approval. This is the phase that the project team is assembled and the project manager is identified. The second is planning phase, where it is the second phase of a project life cycle, and it coordinates for the preparations. Project management coordinates for the preparation of schedule and project budgets, and quality plan is developed to maintain proper standards, thoughts of the projects throughout the projects. And this phase explains the detailed scope of the project, task and resources identified during this phase. The third one is implementation phase, where the project plan is outline of the project plan is performed. This phase consumes the most necessary energy and resources, constant and close monitoring of the resources. The work should be done to ensure efficiency of the project executions. Okay, and this is the implementation phase. The closure phase is the final phase of the project life cycle, and it involves handling of the final deliverables to the customers. Contracts are properly terminated for equipment vendors and staff. All stakeholders are to be informed of a project closure. So here are the phases. Here I've explained the processes, and it is the graph of project life cycle. The first is initiation, where I have shown the dotted line of in a pink color, that is initiation, process and scope. Second is planning, which is shown in green color, that is planning, procedure, process. Third one is execution, okay, where the monitoring and coordinating is done. And the last one is closure, where the closing of the phases are done. Here I've explained the process groups of every project life cycle. First is initiating process group. So typically occurring during the initiation phase, obviously it involves obtaining authorization for the project phase, main output in the project charter and the stakeholder registers. And for the planning process group, what happens? Typically it is occurring during the planning phase, okay. And Planning process group does not just apply to the planning phase. Planning is an activity that continues to almost the end of the project and tends to change its processes, progresses. Okay, and executing process group typically occurring during the implementations or execution phase of the project. This process group involves a lot of management tasks and all. And the fourth one is closing project process group, where typically it is occurs in the closing phase of the project, and formal transfer of deliverables to customers are done. So here I'm ending up with my slide. So thank you.